Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to an unboxing. Okay, I bought some stuff from Temu and I just wanted to unbox it with you guys because I want you to see my reaction. And then we'll go from there. I did not buy yarn. As I promised, I did not buy yarn. I bought a head mannequin. So I have a one glass. I used to have those styrofoam foams, but there were some reason they were so tiny, like they weren't average measurements. And so I discarded them. I gave them away, donated them. Actually, I had three, I think. Like they were sold for $2 then. Now they're more expensive. And then I bought this glass head mannequin from PR1. Yeah, now they're closed here in Edmonton, Canada. So I still have that one, but I'm really careful using that. Like I don't use it a lot. And I bought another plastic with hair head mannequin from, I believe, a thrift store. I think so, or was it Marketplace? I can't remember. Years and years. I have that one as well, but sometimes I feel it's creepy. So I saw this beautiful head mannequin on Temu, so I said I had to get it. I know it's expensive. It was $35 I paid, and but everything is expensive. So what can you do? And I'm using my funds when I get money from YouTube. I did sell baby cardigan, so it's not much, but I use them towards my supplies that I need. And I bought some thank you bags, so I'm gonna open it with you. I'm hoping the quality is good as it looks on Temu. And I did buy some cell phone holders that I can put. I bought this. I've been using it, but the only problem is that if you look at it, when I rest my phone, like if I'm FaceTiming with my mom or if I'm taping something, what happens is the microphone underneath, it's in right here, and you can't hear me. So that was the only problem that I had with this. So I really liked this. It was a nice rest. So I'll just take this downstairs. My husband, he plugs his phone and he puts it on the table there. So I'll just put the, actually I bought two on Temu. So those arrived and they do come very fast. 10 days, not even 10 days. And so let's dig in, and I'm hoping they're good. And I'm just opening the page. So Temu order one. So I ordered two of the phone resters, one bag. Oh, and I did buy yarn. I forgot I bought this Angora rabbit, it said. Let me click that, and I paid $6.43, and I bought the pink one. I'm hoping that it's good because it says 80% Angora rabbit. It doesn't say rabbit, actually. It does say Angora rabbit fur. So I did buy yarn. I totally forgot about this. I just wanted to see the quality. So let me just turn the phone. And then let's open the... Well, the thing is you can't see my reaction, right? That's another thing. So let's open this. Let me see if I can... move this here, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I see a cut here. I'm hoping nothing's broken. They don't bubble wrap them. That's, oh, here it is. Oh, someone opened this bag. So here is one of the phone holders. That's what it's called. Doesn't say here. Phone holder. Yeah, it is a phone holder. These are bamboo. Oh, this is nice. See? This is where I can plug it, because the pink one, I wouldn't recommend anything like this. I know, I think I paid $2 for it, $3. but it doesn't work. So this one, the volume would be open, and I can plug it. So fantastic. Okay. Looks like here is the bag. How many bags were they? There were a total of 30. Oh, they look good. See, I sell my handmade items local as well. So I thought this would be nice to put them in a thank you bag. Oh, nice. Really nice. So for these 30 bags, I paid $14.01. Okay, great. It's a decent amount. It's not that strong, but it will do the job. Okay, fantastic. Thank you. That's the only reason I bought this. And I can put my handmade items and put this in a bag as well. As I have many bags, but $14 is pretty expensive, but I needed it. Okay, so let's put this aside. Here is the other, I believe it's the other, I'm just checking. Here is the other phone holder. This one is metal. Yeah, see? Oh. Okay, I'm kind of... Oh, here it is. I don't want to break it, but it is really stiff. Here we go. I saw this at a beauty salon, at a nail polish salon. The girls put their phone, and I thought this was nice. I don't know what this is for. But this one's really nice as well. It is pretty good quality. It has a scratch here, though. And then you can move these. You can bend it. This is nice. Oh, this is really nice. So I will cherish these. I don't know what this is for, though. Can fold it. Phone pad holder. Or you can put your iPad pods. I don't know what this is. It is sticky. Yeah. Okay, let's carry on. Okay. I bought some. Oh, here's the mannequin. I hope it's not bent or anything. Oh, here's the yarn. Oh, this isn't 80%. Oh my, it's like a joke. Oh my goodness. It says 80% Angora. 20, yeah, this is a big lie. Okay, I saw this salesperson on Etsy. I think they're using their picture. I don't know. That's what I felt. Oh, it is saw. Oh. Okay, this isn't 80%. I would say this was at least 60%, 50%. The color is beautiful. But when you knit it with 2-ply, I'm sure it will be nice. It's 50 gram though. Yeah, it's not a big amount. And how much did I pay for this? I paid $6.43. And I paid $2.58 for this. $2.58. And for this bamboo, I paid, again, $2.54. The price did go down, and I did get a refund, I think, about a penny or so. So, the yarn is not bad. Yeah. Can you see the halo? There is a little bit, but it's not 80%. That's not true. Let's put this back. Yeah, I did buy a different from a different vendor as well. Okay, so I did buy punch needle fabric. And I paid $5.11 for this. And how big is this? Let me just click it. This is about 26.38 inches to 19.69 inches. And it's a decent amount, you know. Punch needle. Or you can do, oh, it's nice and soft. But this isn't cotton. So I thought this was cotton. Yeah. These can be done for rugs and so on, which I am planning to do. I was supposed to do for my cushions, but never had the chance. Time consuming. I have to, yeah, I have the fabric and I even draw it on. The yarn is ready, but I'm busy with other stuff. I have to focus on this. Okay, so this is the most important thing, and I paid $35.89. See, the shipping is free when you spend $35, and I'm hoping. Oh, it's pretty big. Okay, the fabric was darker, I believe. Let me just click this. So it's 11.4 times 6.7 inches. The display. I would have been happier if they wrapped it with bubble wrap. Okay, oh, this is really tough to open. Let me see if I can open this. The bag is really sturdy. You can reuse it, but it's dusty at the same time. Okay, let me see if I can loosen this. Yeah, this is going to take me a bit. Let me just open this knot and I'll be right back. Oh, wow, this took me a while to open that knot. Unknot it. Okay, here, oh, there's another bag. Yeah, they could have just bubble wrapped it. Oh, so many things. This is really sturdy for the money, $35. Yeah, it is worth it. Oh, this is like heavy stuff. Wow. Okay, let's screw this. Yeah, this should have been bubble wrap because it's really thin. Okay. Let's screw this first. I'm just gonna look at the picture and then screw it because I don't want to do it wrong. But yeah. So this one, okay, I'm gonna grab this cloth because these are dusty. You can feel it. So just, you know, just to be on the safe. So this top is on the, this top is up in the picture. So I saw this on Instagram. This lady, she was putting her hats on it, and it looked cute. So I'm screwing this just like this. Okay, and there's another knot on this one. Okay, this one's easy to open. Here's a free bag. Oh, this is nice fabric. Let's wipe this one as well. You know, the head is kind of, this is not a third. Let's measure it because an average head is a 22-inch, right? I'm hoping. Oopsie. Yeah, see? It is a 22. Perfect. Which they did is they made like a eclipse. Like it's not round, you know what I mean? It has an odd shape, which I think that's kind of attracted me. This is really nice. You can't find these stuff locally, unfortunately. So I'm just, it's easy to put together. Okay. I need to make this bigger. Sorry about the background. I have my yarn, my Addy knitting machine, and let's put a hat. I have so many hats that I can try. My yarn, here's my handspun yarn. I'm planning to do a tutorial with that. And oh wow. Perfect fit. So the circumstance around is perfect. This is nice, really nice. I really like it. I really, really like this head mannequin. I just need to take pictures. Yeah, this is just fantastic. It fits perfect. Oh wow, I'm so happy. I am really happy with the mannequin head mannequin. It's just, I just like it. I really like. It's light. The glass one is very heavy, and for some reason I don't like that face one that has the face.